everybody? Hello, welcome back to the channel from the Flipping Banger. So for today, we're going to be talking about IDEX. I'm going to be going over a bit of their earnings. I'm not going to go over the numbers too much because it's not fun. It's a lot of numbers and that is literally Googleable information, but I will definitely tell you guys what I think is going to be happening. First of all, I am going to say that a lot of the Wall Street analysts are actually giving IDEX a price target of $2 by the end of 2022, which is a 200% increase from its current price. Now, analysts are pretty good to listen to because they usually know things that we retail investors do not. Now, IDEX actually saw 12% increase in their sales growth and they had pretty excellent margins. Their first quarter sales went up 15% overall, which is pretty good. Another good thing that is going to be happening with IDEX is that they are intending to acquire KZ Valve. And I think this is also good for them because this will also expand their expertise in providing OEMs with critical solutions for precision agriculture and industrial applications. So not only this, but despite rising inflation, their quarter one gross margin expanded 70 basis points. So I think that they can get even more projects in the oil and gas and petrochemical markets, since these are some areas that are performing really well for them currently. Not only that, the agriculture continues to perform well due to the strong global crop demand and higher prices. Now, even though this is good for them, I personally don't know whether they'll be able to kind of, go over the few things that are kind of holding this company back, which was also discussed in their earnings report, okay? I'm pretty sure they're having shortages of chips, and I think that this would be very problematic. Not only this, a lot of supply challenges and, inflation and, their expenditures, they're having a lot of trouble there as well. So we cannot say that, they're going to continue to do well in the remaining quarters of 2022. There is no way to know that because even them during that earnings report, they did mention how, times are very uncertain right now. So we're not in the same climate where people could just be like, oh, it's gonna do well and we're gonna fix these issues, because I believe that these issues that they're having currently, they're gonna still keep having them. Although I believe that the acquisition of other companies is very good for them, especially considering they own half of Energica, was it? I don't know how to pronounce it, but Energica, the acquisition of things I think is very good for the long-term growth of a lot of companies because it adds more diversification and to their company, and that is very good for them. So I definitely do think that these investments can drive long-term growth, which is not only they're growing, but it's also very sustainable. So yes, now on to where do I think IDEX is going. I already said this in a different video. I do think that IDEX has a capacity to go very high. It's had a high of 5 something. I held it then. I actually bought more. I did invest in this company really, really early on also. And I think that we just have to give them time to do well. And also, given the current climate that we're in, you can't, want companies to execute because sometimes it takes time. And you have to be willing to give these companies time to do that. I think that they're doing pretty well. Now, onto my price target. Honestly, I don't have a price target besides the fact that I think this company will do well. I don't know when. I can't tell you when. And the reason why I'm not going to give when or even a number is because we're in such uncertain times where I cannot predict anything. There's nothing that I can predict, and there's nothing that I can, really say. But I'm very happy with the growth rate that we have seen thus far in this earnings call. Now, one thing though about IDEX, right now is I think that that threat for delisting is still very much imminent. Not only that, NASDAQ received notice for non-compliance as they have not filled their report for the end of March or something like that. So I don't know. So as of right now, the company remains delinquent in filling its annual filing for the period ending December 2022. So they need to get this checked. Okay, you don't want to make the big guys upset. But anyways, on that note, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you invested in this company? Are you adding to your position? I'm personally adding to my position, as this is a company I actually really like. And on that note, I'll see you in a different video. Bye.